Which toppings do you want? Oh, the same. Huh?
Triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. Meron pa din. Sauce. Chocolate. White chocolate. Ito. Ayaw mo na may sauce? Okay.
Sprinkles.
Yun na, kunin mo na. Ay, Johan, ikaw wala ka pa. Which toppings do you want?
Ano gusto mo daw toppings? Gusto mo mga fruit?
Gabi.
Fruits?
Fruit
You want
gusto mo?
fruits? Or chocolate? Ano?
Chocolate.
Chocolate o white chocolate?
Chocolate.
Yan? Chocolate sauce.
Yes daw?
Okay daw. Wow. Get mo na dun.
Mom, I can still buy.
Wow.
Oh, wow. What happened to your fish? Mom!
Ano? Okay lang yan.
You have a fish.